So today, changing oil in the lawn tractor. Easy change, 30-second oil change system. Thing holds the oil that the motor needs. Old one comes off, this one goes on. You're done. Priority when changing oil. Never, ever do it without a cherry Coke. It's in the rules, I'm sure. And I got a filter wrench. I don't know if I'll even need it, but I got one. So let's open this thing up here, see what we're dealing with. Looks like it comes with a little bit of fire starting material. Should you need to light a fire? And that's it. I'm gonna line this up with the lock deal, and well, we'll just head over to the mower and do it. All right, so got to take him off. Lock's lined up with lock, unlock over here. This thing fits, so we'll just use it. The old one out. Says to clean up any oil drips a little bit. So this thing leaves like a third of the old oil in the system, and then it holds like 2/3 of the total oil in the new one. Pop this off for freshness. Then you're gonna line this dot up with the unlock. And boom, that's a frickin' oil change on this John Deere E120. It's kind of wild. Put the cap on this old one. Then I can take this to some local whatever, get rid of it. But yeah, donezoed. Then you just run the mower and check for leaks, but yeah. That was easy. I don't even know if that was 30 seconds. They might have mislabeled that packaging.